యారో మార్క్ లాగా
ఓకే కనిపించింది
మ్యూట్ పక్కన
ఓకే కనిపించింది సార్
ఎంటైర్ స్క్రీన్
ఓకే వచ్చేసింది సార్
ఓకే ఇంకా మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోండి విష్ చేసుకోండి
ఓకే Hello guys, good evening. This is Kiran Kumar Ganta. Welcome back iCare Academy. So today we are going to discuss Infosys company specific training. So here is some previous paper based on memory. We will discuss only these previous questions. Okay, right. So already Sir told the what are the importance, how to what is the use of Infosys, how many questions they may ask different based on. So total, just only instructions, total duration for the two sessions 110 minutes, and your clock will be set at the right time. You countdown time at the top right side corner screen will be displayed the remaining time available for you to complete the examination. There are no negative marks for this examination. Each correct answer will carry only one positive mark. Okay, right. So total number of sessions. Reasoning ability 15 questions, 15 marks, 25 minutes time duration, and total technical ability 10 questions, 10 marks, 35 minutes. Verbal ability 20 questions, 20 marks, 20 minutes. And pseudo codes 5 questions they give only 10 marks, 10 minutes. Next number puzzles. 4 questions they ask 4 questions. So total weightage of 4 questions is 10 marks, 10 minutes. Next English grammar. So 5 questions, 10 marks and 10 minutes. Okay, right. So first previous paper. So this is a technical ability. Technical ability is nothing but an aptitude test. Okay, right. So a father can do a job as fast as his two sons working together. If one son does the job in 3 hours and the other son in 6 hours, the number of hours taken the father to do the job alone is. Okay, right. So aptitude is very easy if you understand the question. So that means understand means, so what are the all data given and how to solve it. These are very important for aptitude. And reasoning, if you know the logic, reasoning is very easy, right? So here the father can do the as fast as his two sons. Father can do the job as fast as his two sons, son one and son two. Okay, working together. If son does the job in 3 hours and other in 6 hours, first son can do the job in 3 hours. Second son also do the same job in 6 hours. The number of hours taken the father to do the job alone. So we have to find the, so two sons total work. So these are the time period 3 hours, 6 hours. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? 6 is the LCM, right? Next efficiency. Next we have to find the efficiency. So 3 in 6 two times, 6 in 6 only one time. So total efficiency is 2 plus 1 3. So therefore total, so sun 1 and sun 2 do the job in how many hours? Total work is LCM, that is 6 hours. And total efficiency of A plus B is 3 hours. So that is 2 hours. So our what is our target to find? So the number of hours taken the father to do the job alone is. So number of work to the father means some of the works son 1 and son 2 can do the same job. That means so both can do the 2 hours only. That is equal to the father do the same job. So how many hours? 2 hours only. So option A is the correct answer. Simple. First we have to find the LCM, then the total work we have to find, then efficiency. So total work by efficiency is our answer. Simple, clear. Next one. The age of the father. This is a ages topic. The age of the father 10 years ago was 3 times the age of his son. At at present, the father's age is 7 by 3 times of the age of his son. What are their present ages? So let me understand the question. So father and son, there are two persons. 10 years ago, 10 years ago answer is completed, but I'm discussing some detailed method. 10 years ago, 3 times the age of his son, right? At present, 7 by 3 times of the age of his son. So if father age is 7, 7 by 3 can be written as 7 is to 3. Son age is 3. Now we have to find what are their percentages. Let me tell you what are the percentages ratio. 7 is to 3. So which option is a 7 is to 3? So option B is the 7 is to 3 is our answer. Simple, simple. Understand the question. So which one is the 7 is to 3? So option only B is the 7 is to 3, multiple of 7 is to 3. Okay, right. So if two options are 7 is to 3, we can do the longer way also. Okay. So from past to present or past to future, we if we go past to present, past to future, present to future also, don't take reverse age calculations here. Okay. So 10 years ago father age is 3x, present is 3x plus 10. So 10 years ago sun age is sun age was x, present age is x plus 10. Now their ages ratio is 7 is to 3. Product of interiors, product of exteriors, right? 7 into x, 7x, 3 into 3x, 9x. So 7x minus 9x, 2x equals plus 10, no, plus 10. We can take plus only 110. And here the difference, we take the difference. 7 to 3 difference is 4. Now 2 times. This implies x value equal to 20. X value equal to 20. So father 10 years age is 3x. 3x. Father's 10 years age is 3x. That means x value is 20. So 3 into 20, 60. So 10 years ago father age is 20. What is the present age? That is plus 10. That is 70. And son 10 years ago age was x. Now it is 20. 10 years ago 20. What is the percentage? Plus 10. Now sum is 30. Now we have to find the what are their percentages. 70 and 30. That is a detailed method. So if you know the ratio method, so percentages ratio is a 7 is to 3. So which option is a 7 is to 3? Only option B is a 7 is to 3. Okay, so option B is the correct answer, or otherwise if there are two options, we have to go through this like general procedure or traditional way. Clear? Okay. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel iCare Academy. Okay, right. Next one. A shopkeeper sells his article at 16 2/3 percentage of profit on selling price. Then find his actual profit. So a shopkeeper sells his article at 16 2/3 percentage profit. 16 2/3 percentage of profit. So let me tell you what is the 16 2/3 percentage value in fraction. So we have to percentage to change, percentage to fraction change. So we must know these values. So 16 2/3 percentage value in fraction is 1 by 6. Or else you can do the 16 3s to 48 2 plus 250, 50 by 3. Whenever we see this percentage symbol, we have to divide it by 100. So 50 by 3 into 100, 300. So how many 50s in 300? 6. So 1 by 6. Okay, right. Profit. So a shopkeeper sells his article at 16 2/3 percentage of profit. Profit. This is a profit. On selling price. On selling price. Profit on selling price. Then find his actual price. For example, cost price of the pen is 6 rupees. Sorry, selling price of the pen is 6 rupees. Then I will get 1 rupee as a profit. Here is the selling price of the pen is 6 rupees. Then I will get 1 rupee as a profit. What is the cost price here? So cost price is 6 minus 1, 5 rupees. So therefore, profit, actual profit percentage equal to, profit is how much? 1 rupee is our profit. So cost price is 5 rupees into 100. So 1 by 5 value in percentage is 20 percentage. 20 percentage. Actually, profit or loss percentage depend upon cost price, but he takes it as a selling price. That's why this error occurs. Okay, that's why they are asking what is the actual profit percentage. Here actual profit percentage is 20 percentage. Simple questions. So in Infosys examinations, they give basic to moderate questions. So simple and basic questions from moderate, basic to moderate, easy to moderate questions. Okay, right. So simple. Right, next one. If 32 is to 961 and 40 is to 1521, so then what will be the shall replace x in 50 is to x? So there are 32 is to 961. This is a topic related to uh, what is that? Analogy. Analogy. So if it is analogy, right? Next one. 40 is to 1521. Then in the same way, 50 is to x. We have to find the value of x. What is the relation between a to b? In the same relation, we have to take c to d and e to f also. Okay, there is no relation, directly relation between 32 is to 961, 40 is to 1521, and 50 is to x. So relation, what is the relation between 30 and 961? What is the relation between 32 and 961? Yes, we can write 32 minus 1. 32 minus 1 can be written as 31. 31 square value equal to 961. This is our answer. 31 square equal to 961. So formula is n square, sorry, n minus 1 whole square, n minus 1 whole square equal to this value. Okay, right, x value. So in the same way, 40 minus 1, 39. 39 square equal to 1521. In the same way, 50 minus 1, 49. So 49 square equal to, so listen, what is the 50 square? 2500. But our answer must be less than 2500. You don't know the 49 square, just use your intelligence. So 50 square is 2500. Our answer must be less than 2500. So 2500 is not our answer, but this is greater than 2500. So 49 is not at all our answer. So our answer is option C, 2401 is our answer. 49 square equal to 2401. If you know 49 square, that is a well and good. If you don't know the square numbers, just assume the nearest square number. Our answer either must be greater than or less than. Okay, right. Have you all understood? Right, simple. If you have any doubt, please comment. Your comment section is open. Please comment your answer. Okay, right. Next, if x equal to 6 and y equal to 36, then what is the value of missing number? So here is the equation. X value, what is the x value? 6 is to y value equal to 36. In the same way, identically equal, y value 36 is what? This is our question. This is also analogy question, not a ratios and proportions question. If the ratio and proportions means product of interiors equal to product of exteriors. This is not a ratio and proportion question. This question belongs to the analogy. Analogy means comparison between two A and B, comparison between B, A and B. In the same way, we have to compare the C and D also. What is relation 6, 36? It means 6 square. Then 36 square equal to 1296. Is it correct answer? Generally we think 6 it is a 36, so 6 square value 36. 36 square equal to 1296. Is it correct answer? Think before answer. So here is a priority list. First we must follow the priority list like a Badmas rule. So do you know the Badmas rules? Now it is a V Badmas. V Badmas. V Batmas, right? V for vinculum, B for bracket 2, O for off, D for division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. These are the V Batmas rules. Now it is updated. So in the same way, here is also priority list is there. First priority is a prime numbers. First priority is a prime numbers. First we have to take the prime numbers priority. Next priority is a power numbers. Power numbers. Next we give the priority, second priority, power numbers. Power numbers means square numbers, cube numbers, and power 4, power 5, etc., etc., like this. Okay, next third priority is division or multiplication. Division or multiplication. Fourth priority is addition or subtraction. And fifth priority is logic. Logic. In this logic, we will expect even numbers, odd numbers, right? Digit sum, digit multiplication, so average, etc., etc., or in the place of logic. First priority is what? Prime numbers. For example, okay, I will give the answer for this question next time. So, okay, first answer this question. 2, 3, in the same way, then 5, next number is what? Next number is up. Your options are 6, 7, and 9, and 24. So, which one is the correct answer? So what is the relation between 2 and 3? We have to take the same relation between 5 and that x value. Okay, what is the relation between 2 and 3? Okay, 6 is the correct answer. How is it possible? 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So in the same way, so 5 plus 1, 6. So okay, correct answer. Next is 7. 7 is also correct answer. 2 is a prime number. Next prime number is 3. 5 is also prime number. Next prime number is 7. 7 is also correct number. 9. 9 is also correct number. So how is it possible? 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3. In the same way, 5 into 2, 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 is also correct answer. And last one, 24. 24 is also correct answer. How is it possible? So 2 square, 2 square, 4 minus 1. In the same way, 5 square, 25 minus 1, 24. So this is also correct answer. But all are correct answers. How we take which one is the correct answer? Here is the priority. So we must go to this priority. Priority is important. First priority is prime numbers. So first answer is the prime number is the first answer. If not in our options, 7. If not, 7 is not in our options, so what is our next priority? So power numbers. So 24 is the second correct answer. If 24 is also not in our answer, then what is our next priority? Division or multiplication. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 1, 3. 5 into 2, 10, minus 1, sorry, 10 minus 1, 9. If 9 is also not in our options, next option is 6, addition or subtraction. So this is the priority list. We must go through this priority list in the same way. So 6 square, 6 square, 36. Okay, 36 square, 1296. But it is unfortunately this is not our answer. Why? Because this is like n square. So 6 power 1, 6 square value 36. So this is a n, like n square. So n square. This means 36 square 36. Now 6 cube equal to 216 is also correct answer. 216 also correct answer. So our answer is 216. N power 1. Next n power 1 plus 1, that is 2. So in the same way, 36 can be written as 6 square. So next 6 square plus 1 is 6 cube. So 216 is our answer. Have you all understood? Right. Clear? Right. Next one is, so this is a mixture and allegation type of questions. So if your dairy mixtures cow's milk which contains 10% fat with the buffalo's milk which contains 20% of fat, then the resulting mixture has a fat 120 by 7% of fat. What was the cow's milk mixed with the buffalo's milk? So simple. So first one, cow's milk. Cow's milk fat percentage is 10 percentage, and buffalo's milk fat percentage is 20 percentage. So resulting mixer fat percentage is 120 by 7 percentage. Then we have to find the ratio. So here is a technique that is called as a mixture and alligation technique. Mixture and alligation is not a topic, this is a technique. So how do we find out the fat ratio? So we can easily find out the 20 into something. or we can easily find out all equation are multiple with 7. So right, cows 10 to 7, 70 percentage. Buffalo's milk fat percentage 20 into 7, 140. And 120 by 7 into 7, 7 gets cancelled. Now it is 120. Now it is 120. What is the ratio here? So dearer minus cheaper, that is a 20. Dearer minus mean, that is a 20. So cheaper minus mean, that is a 50. So here the ratio is 2 zeros gets cancelled. So 2 is to 5 is our answer. Option A is the correct answer. Or you can do this 120 by 7 change into in terms of decimal value. That is a different way. I don't like always a decimal values. So we can solve this type very easily. Okay, right. So if you are like this video, please like the video and share, subscribe our channel. So I Care Academy. Okay, thank you. Next one. So what is the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays is? Very easy question. This is a probability question. So probability. So probability equal to a leap year has actually 365 days. 365 days. 365 or 366. An ordinary year has 365 days. Leap year has 366 days, not 365, 366 days. These 366 days divided into 52 weeks plus 2 extra days. Extra days. Extra days. This extra days is also called as odd days. Odd days, right? Or 2 days, right? So what is our question? What is the probability that the leap year has 53 Sundays? That means already 52 are Sundays, and next one is these two are also Sundays. What is the probability? So favorable options is 2. Total number of favorable options, a week has how many days? 7 days. That is a 2 by 7 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Simple. This is a probability a days related question, very easy question, right? Next one. Six friends are sitting in a circular table facing the center. Deepthi is between uh, Pratik and Pramod. Parul is between Manoj and Leena. Pratik and Manoj are opposite to each other. Who is immediately right of Pramod? So this is a circular arrangement, sitting arrangement question. So sitting arrangement is very easy. So first, you know the basic two things. First one is start with more number of connected words. If it is a circular arrangement, whatever it is, a sitting arrangement, you take the more number of connected words. And next point is don't start with a negative statement. If you start the negative statement, you will get the answer, but it's take time. Okay, that's why I'm saying you don't start with a negative statement, start with a positive statement and more link words. Okay, right. So how many friends are there? Six friends are sitting in a circular table facing the center. So total six friends are there. One, two, three, and four, five, six. All are facing towards center. So right, Pratik and Manoj are opposite to each other. So Pratik and Manoj are opposite to each other. Is it clear? Right. Next. So where is the Pratik or Manoj? Here is a Manoj. Manoj, Leena. Parul is between Manoj and Leena. Pratik. So here is also Dipti is between Pratik and Pramod. So right, Pratik. Next one, Pratik, Manoj are opposite to each other. Parul is between Manoj and Leena. Manoj, I take Leena here. Uh, between who sit? Parul sit. Parul sit. Okay, right. Next point is Deepthi is between Pratik and Pramod. Pratik and Pramod. Who sit? Deepthi. So total sitting arrangement is completed. Now let's check once again. So total how many friends are there? Total 6 friends are there, are sitting in a circular table facing the center. Deepthi is sitting between Pratik and Pramod. Deepthi is sitting between Pratik and Pramod. Yes, correct answer. Parul is between Manoj and Leena. Parul is between Manoj and Leena. Yes, very good. Uh, Pratik and Manoj are sitting opposite to each other. So Pratik, Manoj sitting opposite to each other. So all are okay. Coming to the question, who is the immediate right of Pramod? So who sits immediate right of Pramod? So actually this person facing to the center, this is a right and this is a left. Opposite person, this is a left and this is right. Who sits Pramod exactly right? Who sits Deepthi is our answer. Correct answer. Okay, right? So please once again, charging pin is sorry for the disturbance. Okay, clear? Right. Next one. The sales of cinema tickets is increased by 57 1 by 7 percentage, and the price of tickets is increased by 16 to third percentage. Then find the percentage change in his revenue. So this question is related to percentage topic. Very easy question. So right, listen. So calculation is one of the skill, and your intelligence is very important. If you apply the common sense without calculation, you can crack this question very easily. Listen. So our common sense is a very, very best tool. Okay, right, listen. So the sales of the cinema tickets is increased 57 1 by 7 percentage. That is the first point. And price of the tickets is also increased 16 to third percentage. Both are increased. Both are increased. Our answer must be increased answer. So eliminate these decreased. Option B is also eliminated. Option D is also eliminated. Have you all understood? So just it is a magic. If you know the magic, so many 20% of questions are depend upon your common sense only. Without calculation, you can answer that questions very easily. Right? So two options are eliminated. We have only two options. First one is 83 one third percentage increased and 7% increased. Right? Which one is the correct answer? So first increase is 57 1 by 7 percentage. Second increase is 16 to third percentage. Both are increased. Our answer must be greater than 16 to third percentage increase. So which one is the greater than 16 to third percentage increase? Only 7 it is not increased. So option A is our answer. This is a common sense based question. So we can solve in general way also. You don't worry. I can explain in different way also. Okay, right. What is the 57 1 by 7 percentage value in fraction? First we change percentage into fraction. Fraction method is the one of the best way. Okay, what is the 57 1 by 7 percentage value in fraction? So 7 7 so 49, 49 plus 1 50, 5 carry forward. 7 5 so 35, 35 plus 50, 35 plus 5 40, that means 400 divided by 7. Whenever we see this percentage symbol, we have to divide it by 100. We have to divide it by 100. 100 into 7 700. 2 zeros to 2 zeros to gets cancelled. Now the answer is 4 by 7 increase. That's why I have to take one positive value. Positive means it is increased value. Okay, that's enough. What is the next? 16 to third percentage value in fraction is what? 16 to third percentage value in fraction. Already we discussed this fraction into previous question. What is the 16 to third percentage value in fraction? 1 by 6. Is it increased or decreased? If it is increased, we have to take positive sign here. If it is decreased, we have to take negative sign here. Okay, right, simple. Okay, right. So original new. So cinema tickets, sales of cinema tickets originally 7 parts. Originally 7 parts. Why? Because why I am choosing this. So what is it? 25 percentage value in fraction is 25 percentage value. Whenever we see this percentage symbol, we have to divide it by 100. 25 one time or 25 four times. Actually, 25% value in fraction is 1 by 4. So 25. Actually, it is a 4 parts number. One part value is 25%. 4 parts value is 100. Percentage is always 100. Percentage is always 100. If it is a decimal, it is 1. Okay, right. In the same way, so numerator is called as a result. Numerator is called as a result. Denominator is called as a original number, original value, total marks, or total marks, or principal, or cost price, or whatever it is, a total big number. So in our semester examination or mid examination or any other slip test also, total marks are taken in denominator only. Your result is posted in numerator only. That's why this is the reason. So total how many parts here? Total 7 parts of sales of cinema tickets. Now how many parts are sales? Now it is increased 4 parts. Already 7 parts is there, 4 parts increased. Now it is 7 plus 4, it is 11 parts. Now it is a new value is 11 tickets. Actually, price of the cinema tickets is 6 rupees. Price of the cinema tickets is 6 rupees. Now it is increased 1 rupee. 6 plus 1, 7 rupees. Now it is 7 rupees. So what is the revenue? Revenue, cinema tickets, number of cinema tickets into price equal to, will get the revenue. So tickets into price, number of tickets into price, will get the revenue. Revenue. So 6 sevens are 42. 11 sevens are 77. Actually 42. Original revenue is 42. Now it is 77 rupees. Is it increased or decreased? Yes, it is increased. How much is increased? 77 difference 42. How much? 35 parts are increased for 42 parts. Now we have to find the percentage change in his revenue. Percentage change in his revenue equal to 35 by 42 into 100. So 7 how many times? 7 5 times, 7 6 times. So we know pretty well. So this value equal to 5 into 1 by 6 value in percentage is 1 by 6, 16 to third percentage. 16 to third percentage. 5 16s are 5 16s are 80. 5 twos 10. It can be written as 80 percentage plus 5 twos 10. 10 by 3 percentage. Yes or no? So 3 how many times in? Is it proper fraction? Improper fraction. We have to change into proper fraction. 3 times. That can be written as 83 1 by 3 percentage. So answer is why? How did you take increase? Here is a positive value. That's why it is increased. So 83 one third percentage value is increased. Just simple. If you have a common sense, you don't calculate total this way. So otherwise we can calculate this way. Okay, this way is also very easy method. Okay, right. Please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel iCare Academy. Right, next one. So a train runs at a speed of 72 km, crosses a 260 meters long platform in 23 seconds. Then find the length of the train. This question is related to time, speed, and distance. This is also one of the most important topic. Okay, right. So distance, we know the pretty well DTS formula. DTS formula. This is the DTS formula. We don't use formulas, but this is a basic one. So DTS. Do you want to the distance, close the distance, time into speed? Do you want to time, so distance by speed? Do you want to speed, so close the speed and distance by time? So what is our target? Length. Length is nothing but distance. Distance. Distance equal to time into speed. Time into speed. This is our basic formula. Okay, what is our speed? Okay, a train running at a speed, a train, so train speed is 72 kmph. This is the speed of the train, and crossed a platform, crossed a 260 meters long platform, so in 23 seconds. In 23 seconds, then find the length of the train. So distance means, so this is a train. Train has some length. and platform length is 260 meter. Crossed means this last bogie, train's last bogie crossed this point. So how much is time taken? 23 seconds taken. So that means train distance plus platform distance equal to total distance. Train length plus platform length equal to time is 23 seconds. Speed is 72 kilometer per hour. We change into meter per second. That is 5 by 18. 5 by 18. 18 4 times. Okay. 4 5 so 20. 20 into 23. 20 into 23. So platform length is 260 meters plus a train length. Okay. 20 into 460. This implies length of the train equal to 200 meters. Length of the train equal to 200 meters. Option C is our answer. Simple. So here the thing is we have to distance is taken as train distance plus platform distance. That is a total distance. Okay. Right. Simple. Next one. So reasoning ability questions. Reasoning ability is a very easy question. So most of the important topics in reasoning is data sufficiency, 5 questions, and data interpretation also 5 questions. And one of the important topic is syllogism. We will expect 5 questions. 3 5 to 15. Very very important. Only these three topics. Okay. Right. This topic is related to data sufficiency. Okay. Right. What is our question? What is the speed? What is the speed in meter per hour? In meter per hour. So meter per second, I think it is meter per hour or meter per second. So motor boating, still water. Sorry, this topic is related to okay. Still water means boats and steams. This is also related to time and distance, time is speed to distance. Okay, right. So let us take speed of the boat in still water is x kmph. Sorry, kmph. Sorry, meter per hour or meter per hour. So whatever it is, meter per hour. They are asking only meter per hour only. So this is a meter per hour. Okay, right. So our target to find is a x value. So from the statement one, so motorboat covers 100 kilometers in 10 hours. 100 kilometers to 10 hours. So motorboats covers downstream. Downstream minus downstream. So downstream can be written as x plus y. Speed of the boat in still water plus current speed. Speed of the flow. Okay. So we can, that is the downstream. X plus y equal to distance speed. This is the speed 100 by 100 kilometers by 10 hours, that equal to 10 kmph. Kmph. So this is kmph, 10 kmph. So what is our target? We have to find the what is the speed in of motorboat in still water. How do we find out? So we know the x plus y. Speed of the boat in still water is x. Current speed, that is a stream speed, is y kmph. How do we find out x value? We don't know. So statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Next, coming to the data 2. Data 2. So what is our data 2? So the motorboat covers 60 kilometers in still water. Still water is x in 10 hours. So distance by time. So that equal to 6 kmph. So x value is given. We can easily find out the meter per second also. Meter per hour also. Okay, right. So only data 2 is sufficient to answer the question. So answer the data statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer, while statement 1 is not alone sufficient to answer the question. So answer B is our answer. We can conclude the answer in statement 2. So answer is not important here. If you find the unique answer, that is important. We don't want any answers, number of answers, more than one answer, that is invalid. So we will get only unique answer. So in our statement 2, we will get the unique answer. Okay, right, good. Next one. So this is also data sufficiency question. At present, the ages of A to B in the ratio 7 is to 9. How many years older than A? So there is a ratio. So AB present ratio is given, that is 7 is to 9. How old are you? How many years older than A? So difference is 2x. 2x. A 7x, B says is 9x. So here the difference is x. If you find the value of x, we can say easily say the what is the difference. How old are you? B is how many years older than A? Okay, this is our target. We have to find the value of x. So coming to the statement number one, what is the statement number one says? 5 years before the age of A to C is 4 is to 5. So A is to C. A is to C. 5 years before. 5 years before 5 years before, that is 4 is to 5, 4 is to 5. But what is our target? A to B ages a difference, but they given A to C ages difference. How do we find out to B? So we cannot conclude the A's x, we cannot find the value of x. So one is not sufficient to answer the question. Coming to the data number two, we have to check the data number two. After 5 years, the ratio of A to D. So A to D after 5 years. After 5 years, their ages ratio is 6 is to 7. So here is also A is to D is given. How do we find out A is to B difference? So we cannot do the problem here also. So right, we don't have to find the A to B value also, right? So both statements, statement 1 and statement 2, not sufficient to answer the question. That means, so neither 1 nor 2 follows. So option D is our answer. The data both statements 1 and 2 is not sufficient to answer the question is the correct one. So have you all understood? Right. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, iCare Academy. Okay. Thank you. Next one. So next one is a syllogism topic question, very easy and interesting question. So we can solve this type of questions in a either Venn diagram way or some instructions way, or other we have some logical gates way, truth tables. So we can solve in truth tables also, or otherwise we have under 150 method is also available. So this problem is very easy. So many trainers are teach only Venn diagram method. We solve in Venn diagram method only. Okay, right. If you want any more method, please comment in comment section. I'll give the explanation in different method also. Okay, right. Here the statement is some books are pen and no pen is a pencil. There are two statements and four conclusions are given. First, how to solve the this question in a Venn diagram method. Some books are pens. Some books are pens. Some books are pens. So Venn diagram is like this. And no pen is a pencil. So no pen is a pencil. There is no relation between pennu and pencil, right? So final Venn diagram is this. Okay, coming to the conclusion. First conclusion. Some pens are books. Here pen is there and book is there. This is a definite conclusion. Intersection means a definite conclusion. Some books are pen, some books are pens means it hidden inference is some pens are books also correct, right? So both are correct. So conclusion one is correct. Next, coming to the conclusion number two. Next, coming to the conclusion number two. Some pencils are books. Some pencils. Pencils is here. Book is here. Is there any relation directly? No. But some books are pencils is okay. In our conclusion, is there any option no pencil is a book? If no pencil, for example, conclusion 5, we have no pencil or no pencil is a book. No pencil is a book. If one, either 2 or 5, we can write either or conclusion. We can write either or conclusion. But no option is available in conclusion. So 2 is not at all our answer. Second option is a possibility. We don't take any possibilities as a answer. We take the definite conclusions. Right. Next, some books are pencils. So same reverse. They asking reverse. Some books are pencils. Is there any connection between book and pencil? No. But in our conclusion, no book is pencil. Is a conclusion is available? No. So if it is available, so we can write either 3 or 5. So there is no book is pencil is not available. That's why this is also one of the possibility. We don't take possibility as a answer. Next, coming to the fourth conclusion, that is all pencils are book. Is it possible? No, here is no book is a pencil. Here is no book is pencil. Somewhat all pencils are book. That is a possibility. If it is not, this is a basic diagram. Basic, diagram. Basic diagram not follows. If somewhere else follows, that is also wrong answer. That is a possibility. So someone says, sir, I can write a pencil here, so all pencils are books is the correct. But in basic diagram it fails. We don't take possibilities as our answer. Okay, right, only conclusion one follows is our answer. Have you all understood? Simple, very easy. So, do you want any 150 method? Please comment your comment section. I will give in 50, 150 method also, or a truth table or a instruction method, whatever you want. Okay, right. Next problem is also statements and conclusion. This is also syllogism related questions. There are two statements and four conclusions. So we can easily write the um, diagram. All branches are flower. All branches are flowers. All branches are flowers. Next, all flowers are leaves. This is our final Venn diagram. So coming to the conclusions, all branches are leaves, all branches. So all branches leaves. So inside to outside, always all is a possibility. So all is 100% true. All branches are flowers is also correct. All branches leaves also correct. All flowers leaves also correct. That means inside to outside we have to take all. So one is a definitely correct. One is a definitely correct. This is a definite statement. Next, all leaves are branches. So all leaves, so outside to inside, always some is possible. Some leaves can be written as flowers. Some leaves can be written as branches. Some flowers also can be written as branches. But here all leaves are branches. This is a wrong conclusion. Clear. Next one. All flowers are branches. All flowers. Where are the flowers? All flowers are branches or some flowers are branches. All flowers are branches is a wrong conclusion. Some flowers are branches is a correct answer. So, okay, this is a wrong answer. Right. Some leaves are branches. Some leaves are branches. So here is a leaves. Some leaves. So outside to inside always some is possible. So only 1 and 4 conclusions follows. So option B is the right answer. Simple, simple. So understand the question is very important. Okay, right. Next one. So this is a also statements and sorry, data sufficiency topic. So a box containing 6 cameras has that work fine as well as some that are default. Which of the following statement is sufficient to determine the number of cameras that are working? So total we have how many cameras are there? Total we have a 60 cameras. Total we have 60 cameras. In that some are working, some are fault. So some are working, some are fault. So which one of the following statement determine the number of cameras are working? So we have to find how many cameras are working. That is our question. Okay, coming to the statement one. There is statement one. What is says statement one? So statement one. The probability of picking the fault cameras is 1 by 3. So total 3 cameras there. One camera is fault. Then what about working camera? So 2 by 3 is our answer. So one can be answered. So one is sufficient to answer. Right. Coming to the next one, data 2. The number of fault cameras are less than 25. There are fault cameras, they are less than 25. Less than 25 means either 24, 23, 22. How do we know? Less than 25 means. So here is a number of answers. We don't find the unique answer. So that's why data 2 is not sufficient to answer the question. Data 2 is not sufficient to answer the question. Only data 1 is sufficient to answer the question. That's why option A is our answer. Very simple, easy questions. Just understand the question. That is enough. These questions are previous Infosys questions. So based on memory. Okay, right. Next one. What is a profit percentage? Here, this is also data sufficiency question. So one question is there and two statements. So we have to find the profit percentage. So profit percentage. How do we find out the profit percentage? Profit by cost price into 100. This is the formula of a profit percentage. We must know the profit and cost price. then only we can find the profit percentage only. Okay, here is a statement number one. Coming to the statement number one, so the cost price of the article is 450. Only cost price is given, then what about profit? We don't know the profit. How do we find out the profit percentage? So there is a wrong contradiction. So statement one alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Next, coming to the statement number two, the selling price of the article is given, there is SP is given, there is 500 rupees, and profit is earned, profit is also given, that is 50 rupees. What is the cost price? If you sell 500 rupees, then you get the 50 rupees as a profit. What is the cost price? 450 rupees. So profit is also there, cost price is also there, so we can easily find out the profit. So 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question, while 1 is not sufficient to answer the question. That's why second option is a correct answer. Is that clear? If you find out the profit percentage, we must require profit to and cost price, then only we can find the profit percentage. Otherwise we can't find the profit percentage. Is that clear? Right. Next question. So this is a data interpretation question, very easy question, interesting questions. So we'll expect to hear 5 marks. Okay, right. So the study the following table carefully and answer the following questions. Distance in kilometers traveled by six trucks on 6 different weeks. So different days is given and different trucks PQRSTU. Okay, coming to the question. So if the travel given the distance, if they travel given the distance, the time taken by truck queue on Friday. What is the truck queue? Here is a truck queue. On Friday is 302 kilometers. So truck queue distance equal to truck queue distance on Friday 302 kilometers. Okay, right. On Friday, time period is 8 hours. 8 hours. So what was the speed on that day? Speed equal to speed. This implies speed equal to distance by time. Distance is 302 by 8 hours. 302 by 8 hours is 37.75 kilometer per hour is our answer. So option B is our answer. Simple. Okay, right. Next one. So this is a previous question. So you can easily find out this question. So find the following graph and answer the questions that below. If the May crude oil price had been lesser than the given by 350 per the metric ton, then how much would have been the percentage increase over the earlier month? Over the earlier month. There is a May, here is the May. Earlier month is how much? April 3980. So in the May, total 4800 800 crude oil price in rupees. Rupees. So these are the months. So these are the rupees. So how much is lesser? 350 lesser. So 480 minus 350. 480 minus 350. Hmm. 4450. So comparison next. So what we have to find? Percentage increase. Actually, so previous year is 3980. How much is increased here? What is the difference here? We have to take the difference. 0, 7, and 400 cancel. 470 out of 3980. We have to find the percentage. That means in 200. So answer is mm, 0 gets cancelled. You think that 47 is nearer to 50. Nearer to 50. 340, 98 can be written as 400. Assume that. So 50 how many times? 8 times. 1 by 8 value in percentage is a 12 and a half percentage. 12 and a half. Our answer must be 12 and a half. This is a 1000, not is our answer. 12 and a half, but it is greater than 12 and a half. This is also greater than 12 and a half. So our answer is, so he didn't take a percentage symbol. That's why. So because we assume this is a 47 actual value, so this is a 398. Our answer must be less than 12 and a half. So only less than 12 and a half value is 0.118. So if we change into percentage, 11.8. Okay, that is our answer. Simple. If you have a common sense, you can assume So our approximate value, we have to take these problems are very easy, right? Clear? Next one. So in a certain code language, electric is coded as a 67, mechanics is coded as a 66. Then what will be the value of a civil? So we have to find the value of a civil. So what is the value of civil? So electric electric is coded as a 67. Okay, how it is possible? So first of all, letter corresponding, we take the letter corresponding values. E corresponding number is 5, L is 12, E is 5, C is 3, T is 20, R is 18, I 9, C 3, right? So what is the sum of all these numbers? So 12, 20, 30, 40, 50, 58 to 58 to 60, 70, 75. So sum is 75. Sum is 75. So how do we get 67 as our answer? Think, just think. Answer is very easy, don't worry. So 75, but here it says 67. How is it possible? Right. How many letters are there? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8 equal to minus 8. 75 minus 8, 67. I think it is a 67. Okay, right. In the same way, mechanics, MECHA NICS. So M corresponding number is 13, E5, C3, H8, A1, N14, I9, C3, S19. So sum is how much? 19, 22, 22 plus 29, 31, 31, 35, 45, 46, 46, 49, 49 plus 8, 57, 57, 62, 62 plus 72, 75. So here is also 75. Sum is 75. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minus 9. 75 minus 9. 60, 6, 66. Okay, correct answer. Then civil. CIVIL, civil. So C corresponding number 3, I9, V22, I9, L12. So sum is 12, 19, 21, 23, 43, 49, 52, 55. So total sum is 55. 55. Next, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 55 minus 5. So answer is 50. Is there any 50? So option C is our answer. Simple. So he take letters, some of the letter corresponding numbers and number of places, subtracted the values, will get the answer. Easy, simple, right? Next one. So statements, according to the recent survey, statements and conclusion. According to the recent survey, there are a lot of doctors having fake doctors in India. So what statement says? What exactly meaning of this statement? According to the recent survey, there are a lot of doctors having a fake degree in India. That means all are not fake. Some are good doctors. Qualified doctors is also there. That is the statement exactly says. So coming to the conclusion, no other doctor in India are qualified. Who said? So lot means not take all. Some of the doctors, some doctors are fake degrees. So that means some doctors are qualified. Lot of doctors are qualified. So this is what the statement. This is against this statement. Coming to the conclusion too, such doctors are supported by big politicians. Such doctors are supported by big politicians. But the statement says politicians. So this is also not related to the statement. So neither one nor two follows is the correct answer. Neither one nor two follows is the correct answer. Okay. Statements and conclusions. Okay, right. This is also statement to conclusion. In a cricket match, in a cricket match, Sachin scored the highest runs. So in a cricket match, Sachin scored the highest runs. So first of all, we understand the statements. So then only we can conclude the conclusions also. Okay, right. Coming to the statements, in a cricket match, so Sachin scored highest runs. So it doesn't implies is it what about match? Is it win or lose? We don't know. Sachin scores highest means how do we know? Okay, right. So there is no clear cut information in statement. Okay, coming to the conclusion, Sachin is the best batsman in the world. Of course, Sachin is the best batsman in the world. But statement is in a cricket match, Sachin scored highest runs. Runs is given, but here is a Sachin is the best batsman in the world. There is no relation between the statement and conclusion. This is the violate the statement. Okay, right. Coming to the conclusion too. India won the match. Who says statement? Statement. Is there any implies the statement? No, it doesn't imply the statement. In a cricket match, Sachin scored highest runs. How do you know? Is it win or lose? We don't know. This is assumption. So we don't give any assumptions. So here is answer also. Neither one nor two false is the correct answer. Simple, right? Next one. So X is in the east of Y, which is in the north of Z. If P is east of Z, then which direction of X is P? This is a direction test related question. Direction test, very easy question. So X is the east of Y. Y's east, X faces. Okay, right. Which is in the north of Z. So Y is Z's north, Y 6. Okay, right. If P is east of Z, Z's east, P is sitting. Now the question is, then which direction of X is P? What is your answer? Can you guess the answer? Please, very good, very easy question. Can you guess the answer? So understand the question is very important here, friends. So understand the question is very important. Then which direction of X is P? So X, which direction P is there? X, which direction? This is a south direction. So understand the question is very important. Answer south is the correct answer. What is our question? So X is east of Y means Y is east X face. Y east is who sits? X sits in the same way. X, which direction of X is P? So which direction of X is P means X, which direction P sits? South direction. So answer south is the correct answer. So if you like the questions, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. So iCare Academy. Okay, right. Next one. So this is also statements data sufficiency question. So some equation. This topic in name is also called as inequalities. So inequalities is one of the easiest topic. So right, first here is the one statement, equation is given. Next conclusion, TB, where is a T? Here is a T, here is a P. So greater than or greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. We can write one greater than or equal to. So just draw the equation, T equal to G greater than, U greater than or equal to, V greater than or equal to B. If you know the inequality rules, this topic is very easy. Otherwise, it is a difficult. So the inequality rules is also very easy. You don't worry. So in this place, G can be cancelled. We can write in G place. We can write T also. So this means greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. We can write to greater than or equal to here. We can write directly here B. So T greater than, in use place we can write B. So T greater than B. So is it T greater than B? Yes, T greater than B. One is correct answer. Next, coming to the G to H relation. Where is the G? Here is a G, here is a H. Write the second statement. H less than A less than T equal to G. So we have to find the relation between G to H. So less than or less than, we can write 1 less than. So in equal to place G, you can write T. So G less than, H less than G. Here, this means G greater than H. So this is also G greater than H. So conclusion 1 no correct and conclusion 2 also correct. Both are correct. So both option 5 is correct answer. Both conclusions are correct. Okay, right. These are the inequality rules. If you know the inequality rules, these problems are very easy. But here is a time is very less time. That's why I don't give any inequality rules. Okay, right. Right. Next is a sitting arrangement question again. So I, J, K, L, M, N, and O are sitting alone in a circular facing center and playing cards. M is immediate neighbor of I and L. J is second to the left of O. N is immediate right of I. What is the position of N? So total how many persons are there? 3 plus 3, 6, 7. Total 7 persons are there. All are sitting in a circular facing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are total 7 persons sitting in a circular facing. All are facing towards the center. Okay, right. So next are playing cards. M is immediately neighbor of I and L. J is second to the left of O. N is immediately right of I. So here is a connection. I told you already. First, we have to take more number of connected words. So I right side who's it? For example, I is there. I right side who's it? N is sitting. So between I and L, who sits? M is sitting. Okay, this statement and this statement complete. Okay, right. Next, J is to the second left of O. O's second left. Who's it? For example, O is there. O's second left. So this is a O's second left. Who's it? J is sitting. And remaining person. Who is remaining person? K. So K please. Just check the total details. So total 7 persons are there. Check it is once again. That is very useful. Okay, sometimes we may do the wrong also. Okay, or playing cards. M is immediately neighbor of I and L. So I, L, I, where is L? I forgot L. Where is L? So I, J, K, L, M. So I take N 2 times here. So N is immediately right of I. N is immediately right of I. This means I think this is mm, okay. This is N and this is I and L. I and L. I think this is L. Okay, right. I and L between M6. Okay, right. That's why I'm checking once. If you check once, that is a more useful. Sometimes we made mistakes. Okay, sorry, it's my bad. Okay, right. So M is immediately neighbor of I and L. Yes, immediately neighbor. And J is second to the left of O. O is second left. First left to second left to J is sitting. Okay, N is immediately right of I. So I is immediately right. Who's it? N, right. What is the position of N? We have to find the position of N. So second to the left of L. So L second in L's second left. So this is first left to, sorry, left to second. This is right. First left to second left. No, no, N sit. N sit third to the right of O. O third right. O third right. Right means um, first right to second right to third right. No, fourth right. So 2 is also not correct answer. To the immediate left of J. J is immediately left to N sit. Yes, correct. That is the correct answer. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. Good. Next one. In a college has 40% are boys and 60% are girls as a students. It is organized as a competition. 1 by 8 of the boys and 1 by 4 of the girls are participated in the competition. What are the fraction of the total number of the students participating? This is also very easy question. Total we have 100 students. Let us assume in that boys and girls. Boys are 40 students. Let us 40 students. Girls 60 students. In that computation, 1 by 8 of the boys. 1 by 8 of the boys means 5. And 1 by 4th of the girls. 1 by 4th means 4 ones. 4 fives, 15. So computation, what is the fraction of total number of students? How many are participated? 20 are participated. Total fraction means 20 by total is 100. So what is the fraction here? 1 by 5. So option C is our answer. Simple. Option C is our answer. Have you all understood? If you like the question, please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, IK Academy. Right? Next one. So this is a number puzzles, very easy and interesting question. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay, right, very easy question. Don't panic. These questions are very easy. Previous questions. So simple. If you understand the question, if you know the number series, if you know the series very well, these topic is also same related to the number series question. So these are called as a number puzzles. Very easy and interesting questions. So 15, 15, 23, 27, 36. And right side 4, 2, 8. And 32, we have to find the value of x. X, 18, 9, 22, 11, 12, 3. How do we find out the value of x? Simple, very simple. From bottom, we have to take 12, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. That is in top level. So next, 22 plus 11, 22 plus 11, value is 33, 33. Okay, it is in the next. Next, 18 plus 19, 18 plus 9, 27. So next one. Next, in the same way, 32. Sir, okay, you said only left side. What about right side? Easy. 12. So 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 22 divided by 11. That is 2. Next, 18 divided by 9. That is 2. Next, in the same way, 32 divided by 4 is 8. So that's why value of x is 4. So simple, very easy questions. I like this question really. So please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel iCare Academy. Right? Next question. So don't panic. These questions are very easy. If you have practiced well these questions are very interesting and easy. These are the previous question, 2 marks question. So I think last but one question. So please try to answer this question. Please understand the question. I'll pass only 5 seconds only. So 17, 23, 19, 21, 31. And next row is 40, 50, 30, 12. And next one is 20, x 9. We have to find the value of x. Simple, simple. Okay, 17. 17 can be written as a digit sum. That takes divisit sum. 7 plus 1, 8. 8. 2, 3 can be written as 2 plus 3, 5. So 8 fives 40. You take the digit sum, left and right, and result multiplied the result with 40. So 9 5 can be written as 10. 2 1 can be written as 3. 3 plus 1 can be written as 4. So 5 into 10, 50. 10 into 3, 30. 3 into 4, 12. In the same way, 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 5s, 20. 5 3s, 15. So x value equal to 15. That is our option B. So 3 into 3, 9. Clear? Is it easy? Super. If you practice well, you can get the job very easily. This question is only for 2 marks. Okay, right. Are you enjoy the question? If you enjoy the question, please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, iCare Academy. Right. Next one. It is a very easy question. So what will be the at the place of question mark? Suppose that the figure 2 in the same pattern in figure 1. So what is the pattern here in figure 1? 77, 120, 63, 97, 92, 87, 86, 77, 88. So in the same way, here is just some relation. We take the same relation into figure 2. We find the middle value, that is question mark value. So what is the question mark value? Simple. It is also very easy. Just add the outsides. 77 plus 163. 77 plus 163 is 77 plus 163. 77 plus 163, 240. 240 divided by 240 divided by 2, 120. 240 divided by 2, 120. We'll get the middle number. In the same way, 97 plus 87. 97 plus 87, 184. Divided by 2, 2 nines, 2 twos. So 92. We'll get the middle number. In the same way, 86 plus 64. 154 divided by 2 value is 77. In the same way, some of the opposite extreme numbers, 81 plus 63, 4, 144 divided by 2, 72 is our answer. 72, option D is our answer. Do you like it? Very easy. Next one, it is also simple one. Please try to answer this question. So this is your, excuse me, sir, sir, screen is not visible. Please wait for some time. It's not visible. Everything is fine. Now is it visible screen? Did you? Now is it visible? Now is it visible? Sir, is it visible, sir? Now is it visible, sir? Okay, okay. So I think 27 question is clear. Next to 29, 28. 28 is also same question, very easy question. So sorry for the disturbance. So screen is not visible. I don't understand the, here is a technical issue. So that's why I'm sorry. So okay, simple. We simply add the extremes of the number, and sum is 77 plus 163, 240. Just simply divided by 2, we'll get the middle number. So here is the logic. In the same way, we have to find the middle number here. So sum of 81 plus 63, 144 divided by 2 value is 72. Option D is our answer. Okay, right. Next one. Next one is a last question. So complete the missing number. So simple, but don't panic this type of questions. This type of questions are very easy. That's why they give 2 marks. So just observe the sequence. Just observe the sequence. Numbers are same, but places are changed. What are the numbers? What is the logic between these numbers? So if you understand this weakness, these problems are very easy. You will get 2 marks, no doubt. So Infosys question paper is very dead easy. Without hesitation, I'm saying that. So Infosys question paper is very easy. Okay, right. This is like a snake. Do you know the snake? 3579. So these are the number 35793. In the same way, next to 35793, like a snake. Next to 3579. Here is a 3. Next to 35793. Next to 35793. Next to 35793. Next to 35793. Next to 3. And here. So like a snake, it crosses like a snake. So what are the middle numbers here? So here the middle numbers is 3353. Option A is our answer. Simple, simple. So numbers are moving like a snake, moving like a snake. Okay, 3 5 numbers are repeated: 35793, 35793, 35793, 35793, 35793, 35793, like that. Okay. Are you enjoying this? Okay, very good. Simple questions. Infosys number puzzles are very easy, interesting problems. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, iCare Academy. Okay, this is our details, branch details. Please contact our branch, and thank you. Thank you for your session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Sir,
సార్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉందని చెప్పండి.
ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ చేసేసారు.
అక్కడ చాట్ లో ఉంది కదా.
ఓకే, చాట్లోకి వెళ్ళి చెప్తాను సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అని చెప్పేసి నెక్స్ట్ సెక్షన్ విల్ బి ఇంగ్లీష్.
Okay. Next session will be English. Okay. Right. Thank you.